Hey y'all, I'm outside again. Hey, I need me some soil and I don't feel like going to Lowe's or Home Depot or any other of them stores. I'm going right here in my backyard. hmm I got this spot right here. I know it's good. This is where I used to grow. I used to grow out here. So I know this is some good organic soil right here. Uh-huh. Yep, I'm digging up this hole right here. I'm just going to get the top part of the soil. Yeah, I know this good. Mm-hmm. Right here where this dry grass is. I don't need that. What need that for? That's just gonna grow back anyway. I'm gonna show you this right here, some good soil. What's the difference between dirt and soil? I'll show you in a minute. Just gonna go right there beneath the surface and get that right there. That goodness right there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all see them boards? That's where I used to go. Look at that. What y'all see? Y'all didn't believe me, did you? You said, well, this girl out here digging in this clay dirt. You see them worms? You see them worms, baby? That's when you know it's good. Yes, honey, that dirt with the worm castings in, that's excellent for planting your vegetables. Worms here aerate the soil and enrich it with nutrients. Go outside and check your dirt.